Hello, Peter. Have you read the news about Mai Phuong Thuy today?
Hi, Anna. Yes, I read a very interesting article about her.
She won Miss Vietnam 20 years ago in 2006.
That is right, but today she is famous for making money.
Many people call her the stock queen because she trades stocks well.
She often writes short status updates on her personal social media.
Her stock predictions on social media usually come true very quickly.
That is amazing because stock markets are often hard to predict.
Recently, she bought a very expensive apartment for her younger sister.
Wow, I heard that apartment cost 120 billion dong.
Yes, that is a huge amount of money for a gift.
Did she talk about how she chooses her real estate properties?
Yes, she shared her investment ideas in an interview in 2024.
Does she only buy houses that have very low prices?
No, she does not care if the house is cheap or expensive.
Really? Price is usually the most important thing for most buyers.
She thinks the price is not the main key to success.
So what does she look for when she buys a house?
She first tries to imagine living inside that house every day.
She wants to feel happy and comfortable living in that place.
If she likes the house, other buyers will like it too.
That means buyers with similar income will feel comfortable as well.
Exactly. Good feelings attract people who share through the same living style.
Does she always search for houses in prime central locations?
Surprisingly, she shook her head and said location is not vital.
That is a very unique perspective on real estate investment.
She does not mind paying a little bit more money for quality.
But she warned that the price should not be too high.
She said it took her a long time to understand this rule.
It sounds simple, but learning it requires experience and deep thought.
Apart from real estate, she enjoys investing in the stock market.
Why does she prefer stocks over other types of investments?
She likes stocks because the market is very clear and transparent.
Yes, financial data and stock prices are available for everyone to see.
Also, she does not need strong personal relationships to trade stocks.
That is great for people who like working independently on numbers.
You do not need to attend big parties to get good information.
You just study the company numbers and make your own decision.
Her story teaches us many good lessons about managing personal money.
Yes, we should learn how to think carefully before spending money.
What is the first lesson we can learn from her strategy?
We should always focus on long-term value instead of quick gains.
When buying a house, choose a place where you love living.
Comfort and peace of mind are very valuable in real life.
And what is the second lesson about trading on the stock market?
Look for markets that have transparent rules and clear open data.
Do not rely only on secret tips or rumors from friends.
Doing your own research is much safer for your saved money.
Do you invest your money in stocks or real estate, Peter?
I am saving money in the bank to start investing soon.
That is a very smart and safe way to begin your journey.
I want to read financial books to learn basic investment rules.
Learning basic words like profit, risk, and asset is very helpful.
Profit means the extra money you gain after an investment grows.
And risk means the chance that you might lose your money.
So we must always balance risk and profit in every deal.
Mai Phuong Thuy spent many years gaining her personal market knowledge.
She did not become successful overnight without hard study and effort.
Success in investing requires patience and continuous learning every single day.
I agree. Impulse decisions often lead to losing hard-earned money.
When you feel nervous, it is better not to trade stocks.
Staying calm helps investors make clear and logical financial choices.
Have you ever talked to an investment expert about your savings?
Not yet, but I plan to consult a financial advisor soon.
A good advisor can help you set realistic financial goals today.
They can guide us on how much money to invest safely.
It is important to keep emergency cash in a bank account.
Yes, never invest all your money into just one market item.
Spreading money across different items reduces overall investment risk for you.
That strategy is called diversification in financial investment terminology.
Today we learned many new English words about money and markets.
Practicing these simple sentences helps us improve our English speaking skills.
Let us review the key vocabulary from our conversation right now.
We talked about real estate, stocks, transparency, and personal comfort.
Real estate means property like houses, land, or modern apartments.
Stocks mean shares of ownership in a business or company.
Transparency means everything is open, clear, and easy to see.
I feel much more confident discussing basic financial topics in English.
Thank you for this wonderful and educational conversation today, Peter.
You are welcome, Anna. See you again in our next lesson.